Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DNNHero.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can categorize modules in DotNetNuke. And this is very specific to DotNetNuke 6, because this is a new feature in DNN 6. Now, first I want to show why you may want to categorize modules in DNN. First thing, let's log into the backend as super user, because you're gonna need that. So let's just click login. And let's log in now. Okay, so now I'm logged into the backend as super user. And here's the reason why you might need to categorize modules in DNN. Let's say if you need to add a new module to any page, you just go to modules and you can click on the module dropdown. And by default, common category comes pre-selected. I can select, let's say, all categories, and I can see all the different modules here. So just imagine this. You start to use DNN, you start to install different modules, and this list will keep growing and growing and growing, and all of a sudden you have a huge list here. So maybe this is not a problem for you specifically, but maybe you need to give this site for somebody else to be the administrator of that site. So it would be nice to be able to break down the modules in different categories. So you could see all the different categories under the category drop down. Let's say you can see things like, you can put things like images, and then all modules related to images, news, all modules related to news. So again, you could easily filter the modules based on the category. So you can see a shorter list of modules here. And that's what I'm going to show. I'm going to show how you can add new categories and how you can assign modules to those categories. So just to get us going here, what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to separate a few modules that we have here. I'm just going to click all categories. We have a module called Engage Booking and a module called Content Slider. I'm gonna group them together in a category called third-party modules. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to create this new category. How can we add a new category to the category dropdown? Very simple. You just have to go to Admin, Taxonomy, which, by the way, I have a video about taxonomy as well, which is linked from this video. And under taxonomy in DNN 6, there's a new list of vocabularies, which is called module categories. So we just have to open module categories, and we can create our new category from here. We just need to click add term. We're gonna put the term third-party modules, and we're just gonna click create new term. So new term is added. I'm gonna update this as well. Now, if let's say I go back to my getting started page, if I go to modules on the drop down, now I can see third party. So if I click there, there are no modules yet assigned to that category. So that's the next step. The second step is to assign modules to that category. So how can you do that? Very simple. We have to go to host, extensions, and then under extensions, you're going to see the list of modules installed in your DNN site. So we just have to go, let's say, in our case here, to Content Slider. We added this extension. We select the module category, which is third party. Scroll all the way down, update extension, and update extension. And we need to do the same thing for the other module. Actually, I think this is complaining about the email address. I think I'm just gonna reset this to be just the email address of Will. Update extension again. It's reloading, it's saving. So we have the first one done. And we can just cancel this, and let's do the same thing for the next module, which is engage booking. Okay, so let's add it as well. Scroll all the way. Oh, actually it's right here, module category, third party. Let's scroll all the way down, update extension. So this should be saved as well. Yeah, it should be done. I'm just gonna cancel to go back to the extensions page. Now, if I go back to my page, under the modules option in the control panel, I should be able to select third party, and the filter will show content slider and engage booking, which were the two modules that I have set category as third party. So this is it. This is a quick overview on how you can categorize modules in DotNetNuke, so you can better organize them either for yourself or for somebody else that will need to administer the website. Okay, thank you very much and bye for now.